In this video, we'll walk you through setting up the Flic Twist with Ikea Dirigera. Before we begin, ensure that your Flic Twist is connected to a Flic hub. If you're not familiar with this process, refer to our tutorial how to set up a hub with a twist. Once your twist is connected, you can select any of the 4 triggers: push, double push, twist, and push and twist. Select the trigger of your choice by pressing the plus symbol. To control your Ikea Dirigera lights, you can choose between Smart and the Advanced dimming options when choosing the twist and push and twist triggers. Let's choose the brightness option to control the brightness level of Ikea Dirigera lights. If you haven't already set up your Ikea Dirigera lights, press the setup button and follow the instructions on screen. Once set up, press search for Ikea Dirigera lights and choose the one you want to control. Press done, and you can now adjust brightness by using the twist function. To control your Ikea Dirigera lights using the Advanced Dimming option, select the trigger of your choice and choose Advanced Dimming. On the control panel, you'll find trigger points that correspond to different dimming percentages. The trigger on the bottom left stands for 0%, while the one on the right is for 100%. To offer more flexibility, you can add up to 2 extra trigger points by tapping the plus symbol. Then select the trigger you want, and that action will be performed once saved. Let's look at an example, where we set the twist to go from a bright afternoon mood to a cozy night mood. Select the 0% point and then choose Device option by tapping the plus symbol. Then select Ikea Dirigera and choose the light you want to control at the chosen point. In this case, we choose an orange color with a high brightness. Press done so the action is saved. Then proceed to the next point you want to customize, which in our case is the 50% point. Here, we will dim the light to a less bright orange. You will need to follow the same procedure and press done so the action is saved. Finally, we would like to set the 100% point. Choose Device and customize the light to 0% brightness so it will dim the lights off. Additionally, you can set up to trigger a different action at the same time as you dim off your lights, such as start your nighttime playlist. To do this, instead of choosing the device, you will need to choose the actions. Tap the plus button again. You'll be presented with a list of our integrations. For example, choose Sonos from the list, pick a speaker you already connected to, and define the action you want to be triggered when the Flic Twist is at the selected point. Again, tap Add to confirm the action. This will enable you to change to different modes for different times of the day. In case you want different actions or modes performed by your Ikea Dirigera lights, repeat this configuration process for the rest of the triggers.